Starting at front of box, remove first, second, and fourth body panel clips from bed cap using body panel tool. Confirm orientation of clamp hardware. Then insert clamp assemblies into bed cap with short leg up. Place flat washer on back side of bolt and loosely tighten serrated flange nut. Next, place rail between clamps and inside of box, then slide forward until end of rail is flush with bulkhead. Ensure side rail is level. Starting at the front, tighten all bolts. Then torque all bolts to 10 foot-pounds. Repeat on opposite side. Next, ensure bulkhead is clean. Wipe top surface with alcohol pad. Then starting at one end, peel protective backing of seal as you go. Align and adhere seal gasket against front of side rail and inside edge of box to opposite corner. Cut to length. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.